Welcome back to our channel. Looking for a smart, affordable way to keep your floor spotless? Meet the XIEBro Life 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a budget-friendly cleaning solution designed to vacuum dust, pet hair, and mop away stains, all in one go. With smart navigation, app control, and dual cleaning modes, this compact robot is built to handle your daily mess with ease. 2-in-1 Mopping Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum with 1,400 pascals powerful suction power can not only quickly suck away dust and other debris, but is also equipped with a wet mopping function and a 230 milliliters electronically controlled water tank to ensure uniform water penetration, and is suitable for a variety of hard floors, including laminate, ceramic tile, granite, parquet, etc. Smart App and Voice Control. The Tuya Smart App makes it easy to set the cleaning plan, change the cleaning mode, and control the cleaning direction as you like. At the same time, this robot vacuum is also compatible with Google Assistant voice control, which can start or stop working with voice commands. Upgraded Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance System. This robot vacuum is equipped with advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology, which accurately identifies walls, stairs, and other obstacles through all-around sensors to achieve intelligent avoidance. Its 2.87-inch ultra-thin design can easily reach every corner of a house or narrow space, be thoroughly clean with no dead ends, and create a tidy living environment. 100 minutes runtime and automatic recharge. This 2-in-1 mopping robot vacuum offers 2-level intensity adjustment to adapt to different ground types. Built-in 2,500 mAh high-capacity battery, it can work continuously for up to 100 minutes, covering about 1,290 square feet of space. For high-efficiency cleaning modes, this robot vacuum provides 4 cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag, which can be flexibly selected according to the actual needs of the family. Among them, the zigzag path can cover the largest area for cleaning, reduce mist scanning, and increase efficiency by 30%. Brushless suction port design. This robot vacuum is powered by a strong digital motor. The robot vacuum has strong suction power and a unique air inlet design, which will not be blocked by pet hair like other robot vacuum cleaners with roller brushes, ideal for pet families. With the XIEBro Life Robot Vacuum and Mop, you get reliable 2-in-1 cleaning power without breaking the bank. It's smart, quiet, and efficient, perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone tired of sweeping and mopping. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.